This is something that they do up in northern Michigan only. It's called a floppy burger. Stay tuned. Cook it on one side, then flip that big thing. The way I did it is I used some wax paper. I put the burger on it, and then I used a great big wooden roller and spread it out. You put your cheese on like such, and when it starts to melt, you fold the burger in half. You put your onion on the side so it can cook along with the burger. That's what it looks like folded. See the cheese? The other day I made one of these and my wife said, "Oh, you didn't put cheese on it." I said, "Take a bite." So, if you want one of those high-dollar restaurant burgers, learn how to do this. Like I said, I put out a piece of wax paper, put my burger ball on it, folded it over, and rolled it with a big rolling pin. Bon appetit!